Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do this is from main menu we must swipe up the screen and look for Google Chrome application. Not there, we have it there. And when we are on it, we press 3 dots on the right corner and now settings. In it, passwords, and there we have our password manager. We can turn on and turn off some function like save passwords, auto sign-in, and we have passwords to which our ALCATEL remember, in this case to our Facebook account. We can click there and now we can copy our email passwords, and after we press this eyes icon, our ALCATEL show us password which remember. We can delete it which ALCATEL remember by trash icon and delete passwords. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.